this video, we are going to be doing a part 2 of the knowledge quiz. Again, I have my Apple Pencil disconnected so that we can at least trace some of the words. And we're going to continue from where we left off last time. So let's start with the first question, which is, which TV series is set in Westeros? Vikings, Game of Thrones, Lord of the Rings, or Breaking Bad? It's Game of Thrones, I think. Yeah, good. What did Alexander Graham Bell invent? The telephone, the car, the television, or the bulb? The telephone. How many dots are on 2 dice? I think on 1 die it's 21. I think we were asked this question earlier. So in 2 it's going to be 42 because the options are 42, 48, 32, or 24. And that's correct. Which bird is especially known for its red breast? Heron, thrush, stork, or robin? I think it's robin. Yeah, it's robin. What is the average body temperature of humans? 25 Celsius, 37 Celsius, 43, or 17? It's 37. Which city in the world has the largest population? Seoul. I forgot how to pronounce it. Tokyo, Mexico City, or Jakarta? It's Tokyo. Which animal sleeps on average 20 hours per day? The walrus, beaver, elephant, or koala? Koala. What is the world's most popular religion? Christianity, Islam, Buddhism, or atheism? I'm between these two, but I'm gonna go with Christianity. It is. What is James Bond's secret agent number? 001, 007, 009, or 002? 007. Which Asian continent is said to be submerged? Gondwana, Atlantis, Pangaea, or Europa? I think Gondwana came before Pangaea. And Pangaea was a supercontinent. Gondwana, I'm not sure if it was. Europa was just Europe, but I'm not sure if Atlantis has been confirmed it existed. It's Atlantis, but I'm not sure how accurate its existence is. How many sides does a hexagon have? 5, 6, 7, or 8? It's 6. last one. How many vowels does Ferrari have? 2, 3, 4, or 5? So we have here 1, 2, 3. That's the answer. Which of these countries is not part of Scandinavia? Denmark, Norway, Sweden, or the Netherlands? The Netherlands, which are in Europe. Which event do the French celebrate on 14th of July? All Saints' Day, Assumption of Mary, Bastille Day, or Labor Day? Thankfully, I know this one is Bastille Day. What nationality was Pablo Picasso? Mexican, Brazilian, Italian, or Spanish? Spanish. What is the capital city of Chile? I forgot how to pronounce it. Bogota, Santiago, Lima, or Brasilia? Santiago. What type of animal is a crocodile? A fish, a bird, amphibian, or reptile? Reptile. What is stored in the humps of camels? First, we have sugar. Then we have dairy fiber, water, or fat. There are many things, surprising things about camels that I've discovered recently. I always thought that they stored water, but it's actually fat. And camels actually come from Kazakhstan, not Egypt. I think Kazakhstan exports the most camels in the world. What animal name came from ancient Greece and means river horse? I think we were asked this question before. Shark, hippopotamus, frog, or turtle? Well, even if you don't know the answer to that, this one seems to be the more accurate because it looks more like a compound word. So I'm gonna go with hippopotamus. What is 20% of 240? So if we divide 240 by 10, we get 24. And if we double that, it's 48, which is the 20%. So we have 24, which is the 10%, 20%, sorry, 20, 48, or 49. Around how much of our bodies are water? Shouldn't it be is water? Anyway, 50%, 60%, 70%, or 80%. I think it's 60%. I always confuse the human body with cucumbers because cucumbers is 70%, but I think the human body is 60. Hopefully I'm correct. Yes, okay. What is the number 10 written in Roman numerals? V, C, X, or Y? I think it's X. Okay, that was pure luck. How many bones are there in an elephant's truck? 0, 12, 42, or 144? I don't think the elephant's Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, or Antarctic Ocean? It's the Arctic Ocean. What is the main ingredient in a brick? Concrete, mud, dust, or clay? It's clay. What is the religion of the Dalai Lama? Buddhism, Christianity, Islam, or Hinduism? It's Buddhism. What is the smallest bird in the world? We have parrot, pigeon, hummingbird, and cuckoo. It's hummingbird. I'm hoping the questions will become more difficult. Maybe if we pay for the 2,000 questions, those ones will be more difficult, because this one seemed like a little bit too easy and not very tricky at all. Which European scientist was the first to claim that the Earth orbits the Sun? We have Galileo Galilei, Nicholas Copernicus, Isaac Newton, or René Descartes. It was Copernicus. How many spaces are on a standard Monopoly board? 40, 20, 60, or 80. So we have 10 on each side, which means it's 40. Which car company makes the Corolla? Nissan, Toyota, Subaru, or Honda? It's Toyota. Who discovered penicillin? We have Alexander Fleming, Thomas Edison, Marie Curie, or George Orwell. So Edison was the light bulb. Curie was I don't remember the radioactive. I think it was radium or polonium. I can't remember. George Orwell was a scientist, so he was not a scientist, sorry, a journalist. So it was Alexander Fleming. I think he was Scottish, but I'm not sure. What is the wearing away of rock by wind, water, or gravity called? Erosion, declension, grading, or silting? It's erosion. How many months of the year have 31 days? 4, 6, 7, or 8? It's 7. What color is Marge Simpson's hair? Black, is arachnophobia? I think these questions are circling around, but let's do it again. Fear of spiders, fear of getting sick, fear of ghosts, or fear of noise, where arachno means spider. So that's the one. Which of these medical fields deals with blood? Oncology, endocrinology, geriatrics, or hematology? Again, Emma or Hema means blood, so it's this one. If you rearrange noodle, you would have the name of which? A sport, flower, planet, or city? I think I've seen this before. It's London. So L-O-N-D. Yeah, the city. Which muscle forces the lungs to expand? The heart, deltoid, diaphragm, or pronator? It's the diaphragm. Babe Ruth is a legend of which sport? Basketball, soccer, baseball, or football? I think it's baseball, but I'm not sure. I'm between baseball and football. Let's go with baseball. Oh, we're lucky. Okay. Sushi is a national dish from which country? China, India, Mexico, or Japan? Japan. Pythagoras Theorem relates to what shape? Square, hexagon, triangle, or circle? It's the triangle. What color are emeralds? Green, blue, red, or orange? It's green. George Clooney shot to fame in which American medical drama? Blood, The Doctors, ER, or Grey's Anatomy? Definitely not Grey's Anatomy, but I think it was the ER because I think I've seen it, but it's been years, and I think it was George Clooney. Okay, lucky guess, but yeah. What is the most frequent letter of the English language? E, A, S, or D? So let's count all of them this sentence. I'm pretty sure it's E. Maybe we can confirm it. So let's see how many E's we are. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 E's. What about A's? 1, 2, 3. S. We have 1, 2, 3. And T. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's E. What international organization oversees the game of cricket? ICC, MLB, NFL, a C for cricket. Okay. Which of these animals is a herbivore? The lion, tiger, fox, or giraffe? It's the giraffe. Which company created the Xbox? We have Microsoft, Sony, Apple, or Samsung. It's Microsoft. What is an energy stored in an object called? We have potential energy, kinetic energy, force energy, or thermal energy. It's potential energy. In which country is the city Istanbul located in? Syria. Oh god. Iran, Egypt, or Turkey? Turkey. Which is the companion TV series and prequel to The Walking Dead? Fear the Walking Dead, Run, The Dead Rises, Return of the Dead. It's the Fear the Walking Dead. Mittwoch is German for what day of the week? We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. I have no idea, but a lot of German words sound a little bit English, and they have similar meanings. Some of them, not all of them. So, Mittwoch sounds like midweek. And if we don't count the weekend, it might be a Wednesday. Let's go with this one. Yes, okay. What color contains the whole spectrum of colors? We have white, black, pink, or red. It's white. What is an omnivore? Something that eats both plants and animals. Something that eats constantly. Something that eats only plants. Something that eats once a week. The first one. Something that eats both plants and animals. Where did great gods supposedly live? Mount Vesuvius, Mount St. Helens, Mount Everest, or Mount Olympus? It was Olympus. What is not a main ingredient in a BLT sandwich? We have tomato, lettuce, bell pepper, or bacon. BLT stands for bacon, lettuce, and tomato. So it's bell pepper. What is the longest bone in the human body? The femur, scapula, tibia, or skull? Between these two, I'm gonna go femur, but I'm not sure. I have no idea. Lucky guess. Which country founded yoga? I know this one, okay. China, USA, Sweden, or India? It was India. What is the main component of glass? We have asbestos filling, sea salt, silica sand, or iron? Silica sand. What are the names of Harry Potter's two best friends? ocean is surrounded by a ring of fire? The Arctic, Pacific, Atlantic, or Indian Ocean? It's Pacific. Which country started World War II? France, Germany, Poland, or Italy? It was Germany. What two colors make up the flag of Spain? White and green, red and orange, yellow and brown, or red and yellow? It's the last one, red and yellow. In the acronym CIA, what does the C stand for? Canadian, commemorative, central, or complete? I want to press central, but I think it's commemorative. I'm gonna go with this one. It might be wrong. Yeah. See, we got one wrong so far. The epidermis is the outer layer of what human organ? The heart, kidney, lung, or skin? The skin. How many legs has a lobster? 4, 6, 8, or 10? I'm gonna go with 10. Myology is the study of what? Grass, light, mussels, or rats? Myo means mussels. How many strings does a violin have? 2, 4, 6, or 8? It's 4. In which city is Red Square? In Berlin, Paris, Moscow, or Vienna? It's in Moscow. What is the capital of the Netherlands? Rotterdam. I have no idea how to pronounce this one. The Hague or Amsterdam? It's Amsterdam. If you rearrange CIFAIBC, you would have the name of a animal, city, ocean, or river. Let's see, I think animal. Oh, it's Pacific. So we have Pacific, an ocean. Where is bullfighting the national game? Spain, Italy, France, or Germany? Spain. How many stars are on the US flag? 50, 49, 51, or 52? 50. 3 hen lay 3 eggs in 3 days. How many eggs do 12 hen give in 12 days? 144, 48, 12, or 24? I think Seismology is the study of what? Gems. Earthquakes, clouds, or extinct animals. This means earthquake. So that's the one. Which country's national anthem has no words? Spain, Egypt, Morocco, or South Africa? It's Spain. Which organ helps a fish